Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Moshakir Rabani. I will create a peer-to-peer wireless topology with my friends. I as PC1 or router 1, I will connect to the internet and I will provide internet to PC2 or router 2. I also create a wireless network that the cell phone can connect the Wi-Fi. Okay, first step, we must to reset the router. Reset configuration, click yes, and the router was reset to 0. Okay, the router is okay, the IP was shown and we can connect the Winbox. The configuration was reset and we start again. First, open the wireless tab, turn on WLAN 1, double click to WLAN 1, setting mode to station, scan, start, search Wi-Fi we want to connect, apply and OK. Open wireless tab, add a security profile, mode dynamic, and check WPA-PSK, enter the password Wi-Fi, and this time I use a Wi-Fi from my home. Apply and OK. Open wireless interface 1, 2 and change security profile to PPP or security profile, and before we create that, open the HCP client, add to uncheck use DNS and connect the WLAN 1, apply and OK. Next, open IP address, make a IP address for Ether 1 to connect a PC, apply and OK. Oh yeah, I use Ether 3 for my router. Open DNS, what 8.8.8.8 DNS servers Google, allow remote and apply and OK. Open firewall, plus add a NAT, generate to source NAT and out interface to WLAN 1. Before apply, we edit action to masquerade, apply and OK. Next, open IP DHCP server, DHCP setup, add to Ether 3, next. OK. Open a new terminal to check the ping 8.8.8.8, and the result was have a connection. WLAN 1 already done setting, and we can add a WLAN 2 in virtual. Add a SSID we want to use SSID bisa. Apply and OK. Open the addresses, click plus, and add the IP address for WLAN 2. Apply and OK. Next, we open IP DHCP server, click DHCP setup, add to WLAN 2, next. Okay. Next, we click IP hotspot, add to the hotspot server, hotspot setup to WLAN 2. Next, and you must create a DNS name for the website. I use muas.net. Next. Okay. In this part, I don't know what is reset, and I create again to WLAN 2. Next, and create the DNS name again. And use a password 123 for easy password. Okay. Add a new user. Click server name. I use name for R2. The password is Sam123 for easy password. Apply and OK. Okay, now I want to ping ipconfig. Open cmd ipconfig, and we have IP address. We have same IP address in MikroTik router. Next, open new terminal to ping the IP 8.8.8.8, and the result was have a internet connection. Next, open a Chrome to search DNS muas.com, and the result is we enter the website. I don't know what is website. We must to change the DNS name. Okay, open the server profiles, double click in hotspot 1, change DNS to net, apply and OK. Now open a Chrome again. We search muas.net. Okay, the website is successful. Setting PC1 is already done. And next, setting PC2. Next, I will check if it connect the handphone and have internet. The result was user logged and I want to check in one application, YouTube. Okay, my handphone have a connection.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here I am explaining my assessment this week. The first you can active the VLAN 1 and then you scan. After this you must to start and then you connect to router 1 and then play and okay. After this you are go to IP and add the IP address. Interface you go to the router or WLAN 2. Ether 2. After this you go to the HCP client for get the IP client. Apply and okay. For checklist only one ya guys. Don't forget. After this you go to the HCP server for setup Ether 2. I'm sorry. After this you go to firewall and then add the net, the chain masquerade. After this you go to general for add the VLAN 1. After this play and okay. After this you go to DNS for add IP Google or egg. Jadi after this you play and okay. After this you go to the firewall. I'm sorry, DHCP. After this you can ping this this connection. Can get the internet. I want to checking to Chrome. Can connect. I want to check first all. I want to checking and repeat for all. can connect to internet. And so sorry guys, there are a lot of problem in here. I'm sorry, but you wait a minute. In here I'm again checking for all for can connect to router one. Oh, I'm checking IP address, DHCP client, DHCP server, uh, firewall, DNS, all I'm checking. In this, the problem can connect to router one. I want to check all. Wait a minute, my friend. Once again, I'm so sorry, guys. In this, I want in in this in this problem so many. In this, I want go to control panel for uh, uh, in this I want to disable enable for this router. Nah, right now can connect to router 1, my friend. Uh, you add the username and then password. After this, you add the virtual for VLAN 2. You make SSID, and then you add the IP address for VLAN 2. The IP address free, my friend. For VLAN 2. To this, apply and okay. After this, you go to DHCP server and set up for VLAN 2. Next. After this, you go to hotspot and hotspot setup for VLAN 2. Next. Nah, in this you must add the name for hotspot. Next. After this, you go to user and add free, my friend, free. The name I want to teacher, the name. The passport 123. Okay. After this, you oh no, just one, this one. After this, you go to new terminal and ping egg ping ping IP, my friend, or router 1. Nah, this can connect for the router 1, and then I want to checking IP my friends again. Nah, my friend, this can connect to my friend. Don't forget to ping on CMD, my friend. Nah, this can connect ping again. Nah, this can connect, my friend. Right now I want to checking my internet on my phone. Nah, name is Abi Ganteng, ya, my friend. Nah, I have a login on my hotspot. The username is guru and password 123. Nah, I can connect to my hotspot on laptop, my friend. I want to test on Google. Test speed. Thanks for all. Sorry if there are any more words. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.